Former legislator from Baghmara, Sangma, today joined the National People's Party. Sangma was welcomed by PHE Minister and legislator from Williamnagar, Marquis N. Marak, and Education Minister and MLA from Siju Rongara constituency, Rakham A. Sangma, in a function held at Baghmara. Samuel Sangma, a four-time MLA initially representing Dalu, West Garo Hills District, and later Baghmara in South Garo Hills District, had joined the UDP as its associate member in 2018. The legislator from Baghmara before 2023 assembly polls joined the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Mana maksa Baghmara. Walau cakap dengan selama nasional, ancen tahu NTP parti mati, napola nasional baik tu bah akan gemma nasional. Wamang berpusi, pengen, bakremen.